If you've spent any time exploring Tàijí and Qigong, you've likely come across a term that sounds a bit mysterious: Dantian. In the West, we're used to talking about muscles, bones, and heart rates in exercise, but in the Eastern traditions, health is often viewed through energy. In the Chinese tradition, Dantian, translated literally as cinnabar fields, are energy centers of the body. We might think of them as cultivated centers of vitality because we're like farmers tending to our own internal fields. But we can also think of them as internal batteries. The lower Dantian is our physical anchor. It's our actual center of gravity, a reservoir of Jing, or essence. Biomechanically, it's significant for almost every movement of the body. To locate it, stand with hands folded over the center of your body just below the belly button. Imagine a line of axis running from the sky into the top of your head, through your chest and body, out between your legs and down into the earth. Now place one of your hands in the small of your back, just above the coccyx, and imagine a line running front to back through your body, connecting your hands. The lower Dantian is at the intersection of these two lines. It's the source of Jing, our essence, and is the heavy-duty battery driving movement energetically and biomechanically. After a while contemplating the geometry of your body, you'll come to rest your attention on the lower Dantian much more easily, and it will improve your movement and your balance over time. Now, a common complaint I hear from older students is a feeling of being a bit top-heavy or unsteady. As we get older, our center of gravity feels like it's shifting up into the chest because of tension and cortisol. But when we focus on our lower Dantian, it grounds us and helps us connect with the Earth's power source. Moving up the body, we reach the middle Dantian, called Zhong, or center. This one is located behind the breastbone in the heart. In our practice, we focus on opening the middle Dantian. When we relax this area, our breathing deepens naturally. The shoulders drop away from the ears. By softening the chest, we're telling our nervous system that it's okay to relax. It's a wonderful tool for mindfulness. And finally, we have the upper Dantian, located between the eyebrows, the third eye. This is the seat of Shen, or spirit. It governs our wisdom, our intuition, and our mental clarity. But of course, the real magic happens when we align all three. Once again, imagine that line of axis running from the sky through your head, down through these centers to the earth. It transforms a low-impact exercise into a way to recharge. Well, I invite you to join our group on Facebook at Living Well Beyond 50. And if you live in Australia, in the Greater Lithgow area of New South Wales, I invite you to join our Tàijí and Qigong sessions at the Portland Golf Club. Until next time, stay mindful, keep moving, and live well beyond 50.